Hi, I'm Leslie, and this is my office. What you're looking at in this photograph, this is called a MemoMate, which I manufacture. It's made of aluminium, it's powder coated white, it cannot rust. It has double-sided tape behind it and glass marbles on the inside. Now once this is mounted against a wall or whiteboard, you can take any length of paper, put it in, slide it along, pull it downwards to get it out, or if you have pages in an intro on top of each other that take time to find, pages could go missing. This way, everything important from job cards, invoices, building plans, telephone messages, etc., you can overlap them so that a little bit of each one is visible and at a height so that you don't have to get up from your chair. When you need your pages, the pages then come out one at a time in any particular order. You can write on this like you write on a whiteboard, information that you can rub off, and this is a pen retainer for your pens and your Koki pens. They all have pre-drilled holes against wood, otherwise you stick it on with a tape. Now manufacture 4 different lengths, either with magnetic tape behind or with double-sided. Magnetic on a magnetic whiteboard, steel, or the fridge at home for kids' school stuff that goes missing.